Hello guys, this is Joe from Joe's Advice. I wanted to shoot a quick video right now because I am feeling kinda sick. I have a sore throat. I've been coughing all day and it hurts. And I thought I'd show you guys a home remedy for sore throats. It's very basic but very effective. What you're gonna need is some real honey from bees. You know, the real stuff, like this. And you're gonna need a couple of limes or lemons, but you can use both. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your limes in half. Your sharp little kitchen knife, like this. You're gonna take the seeds off, like this. Okay. The thing with limes and lemons is that obviously, you know, they're full of vitamin C, which is good for colds and sore throats, cold-related illnesses. But the juice is also, it has antiseptic properties, as does the honey. Honey is great, you know, in survival situations. You can use honey just as you would use like a triple antibiotic ointment, sort of like Neosporin. It's very good for burns, very good for scrapes, cuts, because it's also antiseptic. You just put the honey, smear it over the affected area, and it will prevent bacteria from reproducing and infecting the wound. So if you do that, when you have a sore throat, if you use this honey, believe me, it's gonna work. So the way to do this is you mix your honey real well and you put in a mug about about 3 teaspoons of honey, and then you squeeze the juice from 2 lemons. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. I invite you to check out my other videos. One of them is really funny. I'm just starting this channel. I'm singing Ice Ice Baby from Vanilla Ice. I was born in 1978, so Vanilla Ice was really hot when I was like 10 or 12 years old. Okay, now that you've squeezed the juice from the 2 limes and you have the honey, you have to really mix them together. Mix, mix, mix until they become one sole mixture. Once you have it all mixed like this, there's the juice and the honey. The only thing that's left to do is to take 1 teaspoon at a time, swallow it, and let it go all the way down your throat. Don't drink any water. Just take this, finish it all up, and go to bed. And you'll feel great. Your cough will stop, and your soreness and your aches are gonna be greatly improved. You can do this 2 or 3 times a day. Highly recommend it. natural remedy, tested by yours truly since I was a little kid. This is what my mom used to give me when I woke up in the middle of the night with a cough. It's really effective. Try it out. And it tastes really good. It really does. Beats the flavor of any medicine. Delicious and effective. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to comment and subscribe and recommend me to your friends.